So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can make the virtual machine on the AWS. So before moving or starting the video, I will make sure that you have your AWS account. So in this video I am not going to tell you about how to make an AWS account. There are numerous videos on YouTube. You can watch them and make the AWS account. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Chrome and search for AWS. AWS. So this is the official site of Amazon Web Service. So go signing to the console. So here you can see the recent services you have visited. So if you are the new user, so this will be empty. So you can just go your services, and in that services, here you get that EC2. Okay. So just click on EC2. So these are the resources which you have used. But as you are the new, if you are the new user, the resources that such as key pair or secret, here it is showing 3 or 5. For your, it will be 0. So just skip this now. Now, what we have to do, we have to first launch the instance. So for launching the instance, if you scroll down, you can see here is the launch instance options. So just click on the launch instance. Before this, there is one more step that you have to select the region where you have to make your virtual machine or your instance. So you can see here, just on the right of the your account, you can see here I have chosen the Mumbai region. So there are various regions like Asia Pacific, Mumbai. So you can choose on which you have to make your virtual machine. You can choose that particular region. So for now, I have chosen the Mumbai region. So let it add this. So as we have gone in the create instances, so there are various steps to create the instance. So you can see the first step is give name and tag to your instance of virtual machine. So for now, I will give the name tutorial 1. You can give any name. You can also give your own name also. So now the second step is choosing the image or which operating system you want in your virtual machine or instance. So I will show you for window. So I have click on the window. You can take anyone, like here it is Amazon Linux, this is for Mac, this is Ubuntu, this is Red Hat. So for now I will show you for window. So as you have clicked on window, here it is showing that Microsoft Windows Server 2022 base. So now here it is showing the architecture. So it is 64-bit architecture. You can also choose for 32-bit also from the above. Now the next step is instant type. So Amazon AWS provide various instant type. For now we have the free tier account, so we can eligible for only this, the free tier. So here are various that it is showing the number of CPUs and its memory. So now for now just click on the T2 micro. Now the next step is for creating the key pair. So this is the important step because when you create your virtual machine, so to access that virtual machine, they will ask you the key. So that key we can generate with the help of key pair. So just here give the name for key pair. So I will give the name tutorial 1 underscore key. Oh, sorry. As here we are searching for the key pair, we have not created this key pair. So first of all, we have to create this key pair. So here is the option that you can see create a new key pair. So just click on that. Here you have to give the name to your key pair. So I will give tutorial 1 underscore key. Then they will ask you for it is a PEM file PK file. So PEM file is required for the our Windows. If you are creating the Linux or other thing, then you will be required PPK file. So at last you will see that here it is create a key pair. Just click on create key pair. So there will be you will see that your key pair has get downloaded. Here you can see in the download option your key pair has get download. So now you have to do just one thing. Just store it some in a proper place. Suppose uh, let it be for now. We can take it from our download section. Okay. So now the next step is the networking setting. So here you can see that it is given that VPC. It is default here. It has been given, but we can create our own VPC, virtual private network. For in this video, we have to keep it quick short, so let it be by default. So now the next is important step is the security group, or we can say it the firewall for our instances. So here we can define who one or who can access our instance, or who only we can define here that who can access our instance. Suppose here you can see that anywhere. If you have clicked on anywhere, then anyone can access your instance. But if you have clicked for my IP, suppose I have clicked on for my IP, so only my laptop can access this. No one else can access this over the internet. But for now, I will keep it in anywhere. Huh. As we are making the what we can say uh, Windows Windows operating system, so just allow the RDP traffic. Huh? And the next step is configuration. So how many? So it is just for the what we can say memory. How many memory you want? So you can see here for free account there is 30 GB for EBS. So just let it be as by default. Here you can have the add new option, also add new volume. So you can also add your new volume by clicking on this. But just now for keeping this video short, I will say just let it be by default. So now on this right side you can see that launch instance, and here above it is the summary. Here is number of instance. Now here it is showing one. If I have create right here two, suppose instead of one I have write two. So two virtual machine will create it with same specification that I have chosen right now. But now I will just keep it be one. Here it is showing that which image you have chosen, then server type, then firewall, then here it is showing the volume. Now, huh, now you can see that we have to create the security group. And here is also that select existing security group. If you have already created any security group, so that security group you can use for multiple instances. So that thing was remaining to explain. For it is preferable to create the new security group for every instances, depending upon the inbound and outbound, means the traffic which you want to need to access your instance or not. Depending upon that, you can choose your security group. So now just click on the launch instance. You will get that your instance has successfully created. Here green success. So now just move backward. Here you can see in instances. Now you can see Qt1 instances has been created, but instance state is still pending. So it will take some amount of time. So when you click on this checkbox, you will going to get all the information that details like in instance summary, what is the public address, then what is the private IP address, then the host type, instance type, everything. Then security. Here you get the security group. Now this is the security group which we have created right now. Then networking and rest of the part. So now you will get see that our instance state is running. So now we have created our virtual machine, but how to access it? So let's see how we can access it. So just go here and write remote desktop connect, and now here you have to choose. So what we are required, we will require two things. What we say, you can go here instance state. Hmm, Here in security group, we will require the DNS address. So in detail, you will get the networking. 1 minute. So just click on the connect. In connect, you will get here RDP client. So in RDP client, here you can see download the remote desktop file. Just click on it. It will get downloaded. So with the help of this, you can connect your virtual instance. So just I will opening it. So it is asking for permission to connect. So just click on connect. So you can see that it is asking for password. Okay, now you know that we have created the ppm file. So just here we can get password. So here it is asking for upload the private key. So just click on it, and you will get here pm file. Just click on it which you have created that key and just open it. Now it is get open. Just you don't need to understand this thing. You just decrypted it and just decrypt for the password. So now you will get here. It is showing the password. Just copy it and here just paste it and click on OK. Click on S. Now you are in your virtual machine which you have created in the Mumbai region. So it will take some time. Yes, it is opening. It is initializing everything. So now I think all the steps for creating the virtual machines are get clear. Yes. So we are now in our virtual machine that we have created just few minutes ago. So it is taking some time. Yes. Now you can see we are in the virtual machine. So here you can see all the things. So that was in this video. Thank you.